My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, the home of the 5-minute video. I try to give you a 30,000-foot view from an IRS agent perspective so you can get some informative information, educational information, so you can decide who you want to use, or really if you want to use it if you want to do this yourself. So today I just want to talk to you about how can a tax professional get you better results than you're going to get by yourself. That's a question a lot of people actually call me and ask, so I figured I'd do a YouTube on this because of that very reason. The conversations go like this: well, tell me what you could do for me. And I do kind of laugh. It's a good question. It's a question that it deserves an answer. Um, I'll just put it like this: I've been doing this for 50 years. I know all the methodologies, all the shortcuts, all the secrets, all the back end tricks, everything that there is to know about dealing with the IRS. And what the public does not know is IRS is very systematic. And unless you deal with this day in and day out, you don't understand the system and what it takes to get your IRS case closed. You just don't. Everyone has a general perception that IRS is just going to judge them based like this. So everyone has this presupposition, in fact, in their mind on what IRS is going to do. Well, this is my situation, IRS, and you're going to have to give me a break because I've had a lot of situations going on. To quite frankly, everybody does. Everyone does, and IRS isn't going to be any more gracious with you than they are the next person, and stuff like that doesn't happen. I think what people have to know is that IRS has to treat everyone the same way, and they can't really show favoritism. They don't do that. So IRS has a system and a methodology that they use on every case. And if you don't know that system and that methodology, you are screwed. So on every case that you work with IRS is going to want all tax returns filed. They're going to want to make sure you're current with your ES and your withholding, and they're going to want to hold you accountable to the National Standards Program. And this is a big wake-up call for everyone wanting to deal with IRS by themselves. IRS has what's called a national standard to treat everybody fairly across the United States. So in the area of food and clothing, housing and utilities, that goes by county. Car payments and how much they allow you in gas to drive your car, all that really is by a standard. You can't deviate from that standard. If you do, IRS is going to say no. You're going to pay us that money that you're extra. So IRS is going to look at your financial statement, apply the standards, and what you don't know is I can get some of those standards kind of, maybe I can get stuff allowed you can't. Let's just put it that way, because there's many ways and avenues that we can get certain things included in your financial statement that's going to change your case. So unless you know what IRS is going to do ahead of time, you're really walking into a chainsaw. So do not ever think, ever think that you are going to get the same result as someone like me or a tax professional who's been doing this a long time. I will tell you this though: if you really have nothing and you're broke and you're living paycheck to paycheck, there's nothing wrong with just picking up the phone and letting IRS know that. However, if you have a larger debt and you have a few more assets, IRS is going to treat you a little tougher and a little rougher, and what you think your outcome is going to be different. Remember, a tax professional deals with this day in and day out, and where we have an advantage, our firm, is we work for the IRS. So we know every single loophole, how to apply it, how to put you in we know a better situation, and that's why we get the results we do. Anyway, thank you. I'll try to give you the information you need.
So I appreciate it. By the way, if you want to give me a subscription, that would be great. If you want to go ahead and leave me a comment and say, Michael, do a YouTube on this, I'm happy to do that. Thank you.